endless scenes that I cannot see. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arm, I will bless your name and thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
எனக்கா இத்தனை கிருபை என்மே அளவற்ற கிருபை எனக்கா இத்தனை கிருபை என்